Hey beautiful souls, welcome to my channel My Other Life series. I'm going to take the relationship reading for this weekend. This is the last relationship reading for the 24. We have already reached the end of the year, and choose one energy. There is the sun energy here and the moon energy in this side. Whoever is getting connected with the sun energy, stay connected with this. Whoever is getting connected with the moon energy, do stay connected with the moon energy. So moon energy, I'm going to take the relationship reading for this weekend. This is the last weekend of 24, and let's see that what this relationship reading tells you. This, I'm just getting connected with the universe. Let me see that what the universe say about relationship. It's a courage. So you must be feeling just like, that things are not moving, things are not working for you, and it's you're going in a very tough situations in your relationship, and you're not able to tolerate it, whatever the cause, whatever the tensions you are facing in the relationship. But this card says that this tension must be there, but there is always a hope of the freshness in your relationship. So do not lose hope. But Joe, whatever the problem you are facing right now, it's only a temporary. It was a tough. You must be facing the problems. You really would have been, struggles in the relationships, whatever it is happening. But this weekend, there is a beautiful possibilities for you to. There is a change going to happen in your relationship. If it's not there, you initiate this change. Whatever you really, if you initiate the change, and definitely there will be a positive growth in your relationship. That's what this courage card says to you. So have stay positive and stay connected with this, and always when there is a positive approach, you will have a positive outcome. So let's see now for the moon. Whoever is connected with the moon energy, I'm going to take the card for them for the relationship. That's it's a moon energy. Let's see that what is that card. Moon energy, it's a fighting card. You really this week is like you really wanted to break out all the barriers what you're facing, and you wanted to get out of those situations what you're facing right now. Now your tolerance level has come to a end, and you really wanted to get out of the situations. That's what the energy is telling about it. But maybe it's again everything. This is a general reading, I can say. Every card has got a different meanings for every situation. This is a general, I'm telling you, because it's like this card says that you just have to, your time, it's time for you to get out of those tensions or whatever you are facing in life, and really just move ahead, let go. That's what this card feel it. So let me take that guidance. What is the guidance? It's again mind, and it's again very tough situations. The moon, so whoever is chosen the moon energy, and it's like so many things are happening in between you both, or any relationship you have thought. So many things, so many tensions are happening with it. You better go for a guidance. That's what this weekend it's like on your relationship is to be very careful while dealing with it, and it's a little bit of to be careful ahead, and more details and more guidance you want about it, how to overcome the stressful situations of your relationship in this weekend. You do connect with me, we'll have a workout together in a better way and get a solution for it. So that's it, that's all for this weekend. So let's stay connected. This is the last weekend. Let's look forward in the next coming new year. Yeah, I got a universal message for whoever is watching right now. Even though whatever the situations are there, the tough, the universe is saying that do not lose hope, and have some engage yourself in any playful activities or anything whichever makes you feel happy. Right, the tensions will be there in the relationship, and whatever the tough situations you're facing or whatever it is happening, you switch your mind, and this is the universal card. So keep moving with happiness, and watch some movie or go out and with your friends, family, whoever is really helping you, and you whichever things making you happy. So that's it for this weekend. Okay, see you, bye bye.